Guys, do you know that you can set up and control your Samsung washing machine remotely? Yeah, I'm here to show you how. Now, this beautiful machine that you see next to me is a Samsung washer-dryer combo, meaning you can both wash and dry your clothes using it with AI control technology. So you might be sitting there in your living room watching this wondering, Ivy, why do I need a washing machine with artificial intelligence control technology? I'll tell you why. So other than being able to control this machine remotely from wherever you are, 3 key things. You have more control over your laundry experience. 2, you have more control over power consumption. And finally, and the most important, especially for you movers in the year 2022, is you have more control over your time, okay? So what do you need to take control? 2 things. Go to your favorite app store and get the Smart Things app. The second thing, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection wherever your washing machine is going to be. Yes guys, your washing machine is using Wi-Fi. Click on the Smart Things app and it will take you to your homepage. On your homepage, you will see a list of rooms. Because we're here for a washing machine, go to your laundry room. It'll give you the option to add device, add your washing machine into your laundry room. Once you have added your device, it takes you to a very nice page that is called a laundry planner. Ooh. And I'm seeing a beautiful detailed list of programs, or what the app likes to call cycles. In this cycle list, you'll see things like quick wash, power bubble, eco bubble, a option of washing shirts, blouses, activewear. I really love this. So click on quick wash, say okay. If you scroll down, it has given you the default settings for a quick wash based on what the Samsung intelligent washing machine knows best. You do have the option to customize these settings that have already been preset in essence for you. So for example, if I click rinse, I can actually even rinse up to 5 times. Say perhaps you're someone like me who likes learning on the go and who prefers a more guided experience with my laundry and basically everything else. There's this beautiful tab on the top right called Laundry Recipe. It tells you, what are you washing? Discover the best cycle for you. When you scroll down, you will see everyday items, meaning your jeans, your sweaters. Let us say I want to wash jeans, because I wear jeans all the time. Let's click on jeans. The first thing that the app is going to show you is a tip, and it tells you wash jeans separately from other items. Not only does it show you this, but it actually grays out all the other laundry items that should not be mixed in with your jeans. Let's click next. What happens now? You can choose color, soil, and drying option. Finally, we are asked to get the recipe. Woo. Wow, so it tells me the best cycle for my laundry. It gives me the temperature. It gives me how many times you need to rinse and the level of the spin. What do you do next? You send to washer. Oh, wait. This thing is so intelligent, my God. If you swipe towards your right, you will actually be able to see another option. So it's told me Power Bubble Plus. And with Power Bubble Plus, it has actually switched on Bubble Soak. You guys know Bubble Soak is the feature on a Samsung washing machine that allows you to pre-soak very heavily soiled items before it actually does the washing. So after I have explored and selected my best options, I send to washer. I walk over to my washing machine, click the start button, and voila, intelligence, control, AI control. I love it.